Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram sensitive content on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps and we come here to apps window. We will just go down here to looking for Twitter app, Telegram app, sorry, and this is window. And we will just go down. We will click here on Telegram, then we come to next window here. We will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage. Then we come out to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage, and you go up. You will click here in app, then you just click here on clear local, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Now I wish now you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. See you in next video.